will sign my name, my family name, Martin. And that. And here my table, guys. It's my small table. And yeah, Martin. So yeah, it's beautiful. I just finished this one, and look at, oh my gosh. So this is the rock mountain. I paint two today, so this is my first painting. So I have another one, Martin. Yeah. Shout out to my family. I know they are watching. I use these two brushes, and green, brown. You know, I love nature. So here's another one. Look at what. This is only the imagination, guys, and this is the outcome. Just like our eyes here. Well, maybe I will do more. And you know, I just play your brush. See, yeah. And then I have friend ask me if I will teach her, but for now I'm so busy. So let's see. So this is the outcome, guys. Like that. And this is so beautiful. And this is the other one. I changed this one, guys. Yeah, before is connect, I put brown. And do not be afraid, guys. You are an artist. Just experiment your brush, and you see, I just only, you know, the brush is still wet, so we make here. Now it's better. Before is connect in this area. Now, oh yeah, thank you, Lord, for the wisdom. And well, this is only my table, guys. I just put this wood because I don't want it come dirty. And I drinking tea while painting my table, guys. All my artwork is there. Oh my god. Oh yeah, so next videos is I will show you all my painting. I can review my paintings. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you can click down below, subscribe, like, and share. That's all. So see you tomorrow. Babus, you are my inspiration, guys. You know that. So love you all.